Hello, everybody. This is the second time I'm doing this. I was doing this about 15 minutes ago, just before around about half an hour ago, and the market has been obviously pretty quiet all night. We had a move up, we've had a drop, but there's just been no entries. So it's been going sideways for 2 hours, nothing happening, and I thought, you know what? Okay, nothing's going to happen today. I'm going to wrap up. I usually wrap up 2 hours before the end of the market. And as I'm filming my market wrap, you wouldn't read about this stuff sometimes. Trump puts out an announcement that they've just done a deal with Greenland, and that bar there happens, and I've missed it. This is what happens. Do you know what? I've had people tell me my stuff doesn't work and your strategy doesn't work and it's not very good for prop firms and all this stuff. I mean, look at that there. It is with the trend, clearly with the trend. It's above purple. It's after a pullback, a time phase, and then that bar stands out. And then look what it's done from here. It's done over 100 points from there. So the amount of perseverance that's required with trading, you've just got to remain positive. I've obviously... I don't know. I'd planned. I usually don't do the last couple of hours. I try and go through. I start 3 hours before the market opens. So that means you're already about 6-7 hours in. You do get tired. You're just sitting here. You start to wander. And I thought it was going to be one of those days where nothing happens. And then that's where Trump comes along and puts out a tweet, and then the market goes nuts. And since then, it hasn't stopped. So what can I say? I can't really say anything about, I'd like to cry, but there it is. It's happened on every single market. So it's happened on the NASDAQ, it's happened on the S&P, it's happened on the Dow, and it's happened on the Russell. Did trades on all of them. You could have taken your pick on all of them. I normally look at the NASDAQ at this time, but anyway, it's done. This is the greatest job in the world. There are just, there's so many opportunities. There's been opportunities all week. But the big lesson here is whenever you think there can't be a trade, there usually will end up being one. So when you're in this job and you are doing it, and as you can see on the screen now, it's still going. This is still going. And on the chart, it had done a higher low. So, things can always happen. But anyway, I'm being transparent. I'm showing you. Haven't had any losses. I was planning on trading micros tonight. It had been a tough early session, but there it is. Trading with the trend is the easiest, most successful way of trading of all time. And as you can see, this is still going. So I feel a little bit sick that I haven't taken it, that I missed it. And but that's just the way it is. There'll be plenty more, and you just got to move on. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll keep going. Come back tomorrow night. We've still got a couple of days left. Anything can happen in these markets. You can go from no trades to a lot of trades very, very quickly. So we'll just remain positive and we'll come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.